Hey Maicurlies, I'm back with a DIY, and this is an Ayurvedic hair oil, in particular a henna infused hair oil. Now I do use 3 Ayurvedic herbs. The main star of this is obviously going to be the henna, and I use 1/4 cup of henna powder. I use body art quality. Please make sure that you're using pure henna, none of this stuff that has the effects of making your hair black, just body art quality henna. And then I use 1 tablespoon of amla powder. I also on occasion throw in 1 tablespoon of shikakai, but in this particular example I am just using 1 tablespoon of amla powder. This gives it a slightly brownish tone to the henna when it's used in a paste form. And so then I also use 2 tablespoons of hibiscus petals. If you have the powder, then you can just use 1 tablespoon of hibiscus powder. And then I use 2 cups of grapeseed oil. Please use any carrier oil of choice. If you like grapeseed, use that. If you like almond, use that. Whatever it is that works for your hair. And then I put all of these into a coffee filter. You could use a cheesecloth, although I prefer the coffee filter because that really keeps the powders separate from the oil. And then to tie off the little coffee filter with the Ayurvedic herbs, I use a bit of string. So first, just slightly carefully dump in the henna powder because it can fly around, the amla as well. And then I put in the hibiscus petals. This is what it looks like inside the coffee filter. And then I tie it off with a bit of string. This is what it's going to look like. And you're just going to put this into your container, which has a lid, an airtight container. And every day for 2 weeks, you're going to swirl this around just for a couple of minutes in the morning or in the evening. And that just helps to really get the nourishment from the herbs. And can you see that color difference? This is 2 weeks later. The henna, the amla, the hibiscus is really infused into the oil. And then carefully taking out the coffee filter. Do not squeeze this too much so that you do not either rip the coffee filter or press out the excess or the herbs inside the coffee filter. I use a funnel because I can be a little clumsy when it comes to pouring the oil out into my container. And again, just making sure that I get every drop of oil because every drop counts. This is a really good strengthening oil for your hair. You can use it to seal in moisture with your hair. It really provides a lot of strength because of the henna. And that is it. This is how you make your henna infused oil. Very simple. If you do this, please let me know what you think, Maicurlies. I'd love to hear your feedback. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.